Hi everyone, just going to quickly show you how to add a bit of noise to your footage as well. Again, super easy. If you're in editing, just go to Effects. You can just search for it here. Just search for noise, and there's loads of different types of noise you can add to it. Let's just go for this one here. Add that in, drag it into the clip. Super easy. Problem is you might not see the effect happen straight away. I found this, even if you click on here, which is toggling the effect, nothing's happened. So you've got to make sure that you actually add some noise first, like so. Obviously, don't go mad with it, like that looks way too unrealistic. So it's about sort of finding the right noise and using the right amount. It's all just going to be experimentation. Whatever you think looks best, go for it. Okay. There's all sorts of different effects here, to be honest. Yeah.